Hi everyone, this is Niazul Hassan, Senior Java Consultant of Quality Thought, and in this video I'm going to talk about roadmap of Java developer in 2026. So many of the student having one question, can we learn Java? See, one thing I want to tell you, programming languages are evergreen. Even if you go and search in Google, so list of evergreen programming languages, so there you can find Java. So Java is a widely used language in IT industry because Java is known as versatile programming language. Banking applications, ERP applications, finance applications, enterprise applications, web applications are running on Java. So these are evergreen, and definitely the need of programming languages never ends. But now the question will come, how can I go to Java developer path? So what is the roadmap for it? See, if you want to learn Java development course, so first you need to start with core Java, Oracle, DSA, data structures and algorithms. Then after that you need to go to Spring Boot with microservices and Spring AI, because nowadays AI is integrated with every technologies. So definitely if you want to integrate AI with Java, so you need to go with Spring AI. And when it comes to the front end you can learn like React.js, but before we go to React.js we need to learn Bootstrap and JavaScript, CSS and HTML as well. So this you can cover in the front end. And when we are working with front end and back end, along with this, if you are doing some tools like Maven, like JUnit, or if you are using some Docker, or if you are using some Jenkins, so these type of tools are additional knowledge to you people to be in that career path. And when it comes to the demand of Java in IT industry today, for example, if you visit to 10 IT companies, so out of 10, 9 companies are hiring for Java developer. So there is a huge requirements are there in Java, more jobs are there in Java. And when it comes to packages also, if you check the average package, then you can find 3 lakhs to 4 lakhs is the minimum average package they are getting today. If you are very good in programming skills, and if your DSA is very strong and you are good in database, then you can secure your job in any MNC also with a good or high package. So what we are doing in Quality Thought, in Quality Thought, we are not just giving you the training to you. Along with the training, we are giving you placement in Java. And Java is a course where you can find the highest placement in Quality Thought. For example, if you want to do this Java development course as per the IT industry and based on the industry standards, so you can come to the Quality Thought and you can visit to the Quality Thought. So we have many course managers to give you the guidance on your course curriculum. So if you meet to them, and they will give you the correct path where you can build your successful career in IT industry. If you want to know more about Java, so you can visit to Quality Thought, or you can come directly to Quality Thought. So this is what I can say in this video. So stay tuned in this Quality Thought. We'll meet in the next video. For more details, you can contact to Quality Thought. Thank you.